In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Wix account. Whether you're moving to a different platform or just don't need your Wix account anymore, closing it should be a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you close your account efficiently and without any hitches. First, you'll need to navigate to the Wix.com login page. Once you're there, enter your email and password to log in. If you've forgotten your login details, there's a helpful link on the page to retrieve your information. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard, which is your central hub for managing your Wix site and related services. Now, with a focus on ending any ongoing commitments, head over to the subscriptions section in your account. This is a critical step because it's important to make sure that all current subscriptions or premium plans are canceled. If you still have active subscriptions, you won't be able to proceed with closing your account. Go through each subscription listed and cancel them one by one. You'll usually find a cancel option next to each service. Click on it and follow any prompts that pop up. With all your subscriptions now canceled, let's move on to the next step. You'll want to find and click on Account Settings. It's typically located under your account menu, which can be found at the top right corner of your screen. Within your account settings, you'll find a range of options for managing your account, but our focus here is on closing it. Scan through your settings until you see an option labeled Close Account or Delete Account. It's usually under a section related to account management or security. Selecting this option will start the process of deleting your account. Remember, once you delete your account, this action is generally irreversible. Make sure this is really what you want to do before moving to the next step. Now you'll need to follow the on-screen prompts to confirm that you want to close your account. Wix might ask you to provide a reason for leaving, or might present a final opportunity to keep your account active. If you're sure about your decision, simply proceed with the confirmation process. It's a typical security step to ensure that it's really you who wants to close the account. Once you have confirmed your decision, Wix will finalize the closure of your account. You'll likely receive a confirmation email notifying you that your account has been successfully closed. Keep this email for your records, at least until you're certain you won't need it anymore. And that's it. Your Wix account is now canceled. Thank you for watching, and I hope this process was easy to follow.